everyone. Grab yourself a drum because we're going to be playing some drums for this song. If you don't have your own drum, that's okay. You can use a pie tin or a pot or a pan or even a pillow. You could even tap on your lap if you like. We are going to sing a song about a dog called Bingo, and we're going to be doing some spelling as well. So how do we spell bingo? B-I-N-G-O. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. All right, now we're going to use our drums. Let's take out the B, and I wonder if you can tap. I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, let's try it. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, let's try it again. We're going to take out the I next. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. All right, let's take out the N. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. All right, what about if we take out the G? There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh. All right, we're going to take out the last letter, take out that O, which means we won't say any letters at all. Let's try it. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh. And Bingo was his name.